Welcome back, everybody. Whether you know it or not, thanks to a new law in the Show Me State, all registered Missouri voters can vote by mail this year. But a lot of those ballots will have to be notarized. So, which ones can you get them notarized for free? Those are the questions. Andrea McNary is with Brown and Crouppen, and she joins us this morning with the answers. Hello, Andrea. How are you?
Hi, how are you? I'm good. Thank you for having me.
Of course. Thank you for the time. There's a lot to get to here. Let's start with the absentee voters. Which absentee voters have to get their ballots notarized and which do not?
So you do not need your absentee ballot notarized if it is due to incapacity or confinement because of illness, or if you meet criteria for being exposed to COVID or you're high risk for COVID.
Gotcha, which could include a whole myriad of different things from respiratory illnesses to serious heart conditions, right?
Correct.
So then who does need to get their absentee ballots notarized?
So just like what traditionally people think of as absentee ballots, if it's because of religious beliefs or practices, or you're a poll worker, or you're incarcerated and still eligible to vote, you'll still need to get those things notarized.
Okay, and now, this is the big change here. Thanks to this new law in Missouri, any Missouri voter can vote by mail for any reason, but there are requirements, and those requirements, I understand, include a notary. So how does that process work?
Absolutely. Well, first of all, I would say the biggest thing to say about this very exciting new mail-in provision is that all applications to request a mail-in ballot must be received by July 22nd, so tomorrow. But they can be requested in person at the local election authority.
Got it. So once you get that ballot, you fill out the ballot, and then is it the return envelope that's notarized? Is that how it works?
It is. And another time limit, the ballot must be received by the election authority by 7 p.m. on election day. So the first thing you'll have to do is get it notarized. And then the second thing you'll have to do is get it returned on time.
Understood. The next question that everyone will want an answer to is, does that cost me money? Is there a way to get these ballots notarized for free?
There is. So since the mail-in ballot provisions, there has been a drive across Missouri to have places for people to get these notarized for free. So you can go on the Secretary of State website. There are all kinds of places and a list they compiled to have it notarized for free. There's also all kinds of notary drives going on this next weekend. And I'm sure the same thing will happen again for the general election.
And Andrea, I understand that one local bank is really making this process easy. Tell us about that.
Correct. Midland State Bank is offering free notaries through their drive-through at several locations across the area: Arnold, Clayton, O'Fallon, Rock Hill, St. Clair, Sunset Hills, and Weldon. So you can take advantage of that opportunity during bank hours. Go right through their drive-through and they'll take care of you. There's also a drive at Friendly Temple Missionary Baptist Church, Saturday, July 25th, 10 to 2. Again, it'll be completely drive-through and virtually contactless.
This is great, and it's important, I think, for the voting public to know this information. So, Andrea, we really appreciate you taking the time and breaking it all down for us. Hope you have a great day.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You bet. Meantime, if you'd like to get in touch with the pros over there at Brown and Crouppen, you can call them anytime at 314-222-2222 or visit their website at getbc.org.